ULTIMEA Aura A40. Let's begin by carefully opening the box. You'll find the user manual and accessory box for surround speakers inside, the ULTIMEA Aura A40 soundbar and a wired subwoofer. Accessories with the picture. Please place the soundbar in front of your TV. Also take a look at the back where you'll find 7 ports. Let's assemble the soundbar now. First let's assemble the wired subwoofer to the soundbar. Please plug in the soundbar's power cable. Use the wire on the wired subwoofer to connect the soundbar and the subwoofer. The front surround speaker is connected to the soundbar via a wired connection. Use the front surround cable, FRFL, to connect the front surround to the soundbar. Now let's assemble 2 rear surround speakers. Please plug in the right rear speaker's power cable. Use the surround cable to connect the right rear speaker and the left rear speaker. Please pay attention to match the same color interfaces on the right rear speaker with the corresponding ones on the left rear speaker and place the surround speakers accordingly. Now let's connect 2 rear surround speakers to the soundbar wirelessly. When the soundbar is powered on, the surround speakers will automatically pair with the soundbar. When the indicator light on the rear right surround speaker is steady, it indicates successful pairing. For a better listening experience, please lay out the entire system as shown in the video. Note: the right rear speaker has been paired with the soundbar by factory. If there is no sound coming from the surround speakers, you need to repair the soundbar with the right rear speaker. The method for repair will be explained later in this video. Alright, it's time to connect your TV. The video will show ULTIMEA Aura A40's 3 common connection methods. Find the digital optical cable. Remove the protective caps of the cable. Insert one end of the optical cable into your TV's optical out port, then insert the other end into the optical port on the soundbar. Connect the power cords of soundbar and surround speakers. Press the OPT button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. Select optical mode in your TV settings. Also, you can connect the TV with AUX cable. Find the stereo 3.5mm to RCA audio cable. Insert the other AUX end into your TV's audio out port, then insert 3.5mm AUX end into soundbar. Connect the power cords of soundbar and surround speakers. Press the AUX button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. Note: if you want to change the output from AUX to another output mode when AUX is connected, you need to unplug the AUX cable before the soundbar can work. Prefer wireless? Here's Bluetooth connection. Press the BT button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. The soundbar will mentioned. Then turn on your phone's Bluetooth search and connect with device Aura A40. When you hear the Bluetooth connection is successful, connect to your TV via Bluetooth. Press the BT button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. The soundbar will mentioned. Turn on the TV's Bluetooth in settings, search and connect Aura A40. When you hear the Bluetooth connection is successful, you have learned to connect optical/Bluetooth/AUX with soundbar. Still no sound? First check your surround speaker link. If it not paired, you can repair it manually. Step 1. Press and hold the surround button on the remote control for 5 seconds. The display screen will show SUR and flash. Step 2. Press and hold the pair button on the right surround for 5 seconds. The indicator light will flash quickly. After successful pairing, the indicator light will remain steady. Different TVs may have different setup steps. Please set up according to your TV. The Aura A40 soundbar can be controlled via the ULTIMEA Smart app. Now we'll help you set up a system. If you are not sure about your TV settings, please check our official guide or contact us.